Good morning, students. Let's start with chapter 8, that is PowerPoint creating the slide. Student, this is your project of this chapter that you have to make the presentation on computer. Here it is written slide 1. This is your slide 2. This is slide 1. This is slide 2. This is slide 3. Slide 4. Then this is your slide 5, 6 and 7. So in this way we have to make the slides. So I am going to tell you the ways how we will make this project on computers. As you see from the book that our first slide is introduction to computer. So in this way you know how to write on Microsoft computer with the help of keyboard. So this is introduction to computers, and here you have to write in the subtitle that by the student of class 5. So in this way you are able to write, and you must change its color. Like how you will change the color? You have to select the content and you go on this font color option and you can apply the color in this way. Similarly, you can apply the color. You go on this font color option and you will choose any bright color. So this is blue color. So students, in this way you can apply the colors to your written text. Now I am going to tell you that how you will add a new slide to the presentation. So you have to add the new slide. You go on this option, this is new slide, or there is a shortcut key Control plus M also. It is written here Control plus M. You click on this drop down arrow. You see here there are so many options available. You can choose any of the slides according to your option. So I'll be taking this title slide, and here you have to write next slide कौन सी है हमारी, the types of computer. So in this way you can write here the types of computer, and here we all know that there are so many types of computer like desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet PC, smartphone. So we will all write these types of computer in this subtitle box. Now student, this is our second slide. Here is a title types of computer and this is a subtitle. So I am going to tell you that how you will add the bullets. So you have to select the content and go on this bullets and numbering option. This is bullets and numbering option. You click on this drop down arrow and there are so many list of the bullets. You can choose any of the bullets according to your option. So in this way you can apply the bulletin. You see here my content is written in the center, but you can set its alignment from this option. So this is left alignment, this is center alignment. See here, first of all you have to select, then you will see the changes. This is center alignment, this is right alignment, so this is a left alignment. So we must use the left alignment while making any of the slide. Now next I am going to tell you how you will select a word. So if you want to select a word, just double click on the word. You see the word is selected. If you want to select the entire sentence, you triple click and entire sentence will be selected. So these are the shortcut keys. Double click to select the word, triple click to select the entire sentence. And if you want to select any part of, so you must click any of the word and then you drag your mouse till where you want to select the text. So in this way you are able to select the text. So students, you all know how to change the size of the text. You must select the text. You go on this drop down arrow, you select the size and change its size. You can select and change its style also. You go on this drop down arrow and you are able to change its style. So in this way you can change the styles. Now if you see on the project, there is a types of computer and here is the picture. So I am going to tell you how you will add the picture. So this box is in the stretched manner. So you must decrease the size of this box and then you are able to insert the picture. So you must go on insert picture, but one of the condition is this: your picture is saved on your desktop. So you can download any of the picture from the desktop then you are able to add the picture into your Microsoft PowerPoint. So my picture laptop is already saved. So go on the desktop, click on the laptop and insert. So see here, the picture is inserted. You can increase or decrease the size of the picture according to your choice. So student, this is the way how you can write the content as well as you can add the picture to its right side. Okay. Now next I am going to tell you that how you will add the clip art. Students, I have inserted this blank slide. How you will add, first of all I delete the slide. Then you go on to the new slide and you just take the blank slide. After that you can change the layout of the slide, that I am going to taking this. Okay, so in this way you can write over here, suppose I am going to write over here the hardware. Suppose I am going to write something about hardware. So see here, this is another layout of the slide where you can add the title. Accordingly, you write about hardware, that all the physical components attached to the computer are called the hardware. And here you can add so many options, like this is an option to add table, this is an option to add chart, this is an option to insert the smart art, this is an option to insert the picture. जैसे कि हमने previous में we have inserted the picture of laptop. So this is the insert clip art. If you want to insert the clip art, you double click on this. You see here, this is the option available. You like suppose notebook computer you want to search. So click on the go option. It will search. Yes, see here, there are so many options available. You can take, you double click and you see here the picture of the computer laptop is inserted. How? Using clip art. So student, there are so many options. Either you can take the layout like this. This is the layout. This slide I have selected. So either you can insert the picture or clip art from here, or you can insert the picture or clip art from this option. So there are two ways to insert the picture and clip art to your slide. Now next I am going to tell you about how you will add a table to your slide. Which table I am talking about? I am talking about this table. You see here, this is a software. It is in the form of tabular form. There are two types of software, system software and application software. So you need to insert the table for this. So I am going to tell you that how you will add a table to your PowerPoint presentation. So what you will do, you click on the this option, title and content. So I am going to add a new slide, blank. After that you can change its layout and you can take this layout. Okay, so here you will write software. Okay, and you can insert the table. So you double click on this. How many rows and columns we need? We need 2 columns. And how many rows? We need 8 rows. Sorry, 8. So in this way you can, yes, see here the table is inserted. Now you are able to write anything in the table. So in this way you can add table to your slide. Now you are able to write about the table. This is your system software and application software. So I am going to write over here. So you can write here system software, operating system software, utility programs and device drivers. Here you will write word processor software, spreadsheet software and presentation software. So whenever you insert the table in PowerPoint, you see here the table tools is available. You can take any of the layout. This is the layout. Actually this is the layout in our project, but you can take according to your choice. You can take color according to your choice. You click on this drop down arrow. You see here there are so many layouts available. You can choose the layout according to your option. Now you can click on this shading option. See the difference. When you scroll your mouse, you see the difference. You can apply the borders, all borders, inside borders. I am taking the all borders. So this is all borders. You can apply the effects. We will not use the effects while drawing a table, so must avoid the effects. Okay, so in this way you can add the tables to your PowerPoint. Now I am going to tell you how you will insert a smart art. So if you want to insert the smart art, first of all, go on the new slide. You must take the blank slide. Then you go insert option, and here is the smart art. Yes, this is a smart art. So which smart art we need? We must check it from our project. This type of smart art we need. This type of smart art we need. Now choose a smart art graphic. Click on this all option. Yes, this is a smart art. It's trapezoid list. So you click on the OK button. See, this smart art is available. You, whatever you want to write, you can write over here. Suppose it's hardware. Next is hardware के अंदर what we have, desktop and laptop. So desktop and wait. So in this way you will write about hardware, then you will write about software. We have a software. कौन से software we have? Word and like PowerPoint. So we will write over here the types of software. Next we have to write about user. In user we have operators, programmers, web designers, software developer. You can write over here software developer. So in this way you can write anything in smart art. You can take any another layout also. I have taken this one. You can take this one, but this is suitable. Okay, you can change its color. You take here from the list. In this way you can choose the color. You must scroll your screen, and I'll be taking this color. In this way you can apply the colors to your smart art. Next I am going to tell you that how you will add the transitions. So transition is a visual effect that appears when you move from one slide to the another. We must add the transition to the slide. So how you will add the transition? So first of all, you select where you want to apply the transition. Click on the transitions option, and you see here this is the so many transitions available. You click on the drop down arrow. Suppose I'll be taking this one, honeycomb. This transition is applied in this way. Yes, see here. In this way you can apply the transition to your slide. Glitter. Okay.